How did callosotomy treatments reveal split brain function? Imagine a brain so complex that cutting a single band of nerve fibers can turn it into two separate minds. That's what happened when doctors performed callosotomy surgeries. These surgeries aimed to stop severe epileptic seizures by severing the corpus callosum, the thick bundle of nerve fibers connecting the two halves of the brain. Surprisingly, the patients didn't show major personality changes or lose their intelligence. This puzzled scientists and led to some fascinating experiments that uncovered how each side of the brain works on its own. The key discovery was that the left and right sides of the brain have different jobs. The left side is mainly responsible for language, speech, and logical thinking. The right side handles visual spatial skills, recognizing patterns and understanding images. When the corpus callosum is cut, these two sides can no longer talk to each other. This separation allowed scientists to see what each hemisphere could do independently. Researchers like Roger Sperry and Michael Gazzaniga started showing different images to each eye or giving objects to only one hand. They found that the left hemisphere could name objects and explain what it saw. But the right hemisphere, which doesn't handle language well, could still recognize objects by touch or draw them without being able to say what it was. It was as if each side had its own little mind inside the same head. In one famous experiment, a word was flashed to the right side of the visual field, which the left hemisphere could see and say. But if the word was shown to the left side, the right hemisphere could recognize and pick up the object with the left hand, even though the person couldn't say what it was. Sometimes, when each hemisphere received different instructions, patients acted as if they had two separate wills, showing contradictory behaviors. These experiments proved that the brain's two halves have special roles and can act independently when disconnected. The corpus callosum is like a bridge that helps them share information and create a unified experience. When it's cut, the brain reveals its hidden duality, making us question what really makes up our sense of self and consciousness. Callosotomy treatments not only helped control severe seizures, but also opened a window into how our minds work. They showed that what we think of as one person is actually a partnership of two semi-independent processors. This strange science continues to challenge how we understand consciousness and the nature of our identity. It's a fascinating peek into the brain's mysterious inner world.